Hi everybody, I'm Jordan Weber, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Social Action Curriculum project that I created here at Matt Skelly Training. And so the Trainers Forward Fitness nonprofit organization is dedicated to sponsoring individuals with disabilities free personal and group training. And before this class, I was training one individual and giving her, free sponsored training, and that was pretty much as far as this program had gone to. And then undertaking Dr. Stachowick's class and the Social Action Curriculum Project, I was actually able to evolve the class and actually turn it into a lived curriculum through the participants, through a cultural background and context. We allowed the participants to engage in creating the curriculum in a live curriculum that was lived here in the past couple weeks. And so in the past month, I've been training each individual to teach the class, and I've also allowed them to put their input in the curriculum, and we've developed a dance routine, a fitness routine, and also a yoga routine with all three participants. The first participant involved in the Trainers Forward Fitness nonprofit organization is Christina, and she's also one of the teachers in the Trainers Forward Fitness program that we developed through the Social Action Curriculum Project. She is going to be teaching fitness, and she made the curriculum with me, and we've been working on this piece for about 3 weeks now. So she had a lot of rehearsal time as far as what to teach and how to teach, and we went back and forth, her and her mother and I, about what she could teach and what she felt most comfortable teaching. And most of the terminology comes from her voice, and that's what we created for her fitness aspect. This document is Christina's fitness routine that we created, and this was the final draft. Palms down next to your side, hips up, hips up. There it is. Okay, show me cross leg forward fold. Trevor was the second participant involved in this project. I actually messaged him on Facebook because we're friends and asked him if he'd like to be a dance teacher, and I contacted his mother, and she agreed to allow him to come here and practice dance with me, and in a way that he was able to teach a class. And so he was able to perform his favorite song, which is Justin Bieber, and he developed a step routine for the dance, and that he created himself, and I helped him write out. And then we also together built a line dance that people could do together to enhance his dance experience in the dance class. So Trevor's teaching dance, and he learned a style of dance that he preferred, which was a dance to Justin Bieber, and that's what we used. And then we also did a line dance with Boot, Scoot, and Boogie. There you go. Quick. Swing your partner. There you go. Swing the other way. Joe to Joe. Face each other, walk around. Here's Trevor rehearsing his dance, and we're just trying to allow him some time to pretend he's teaching the class, so a little bit of role playing before he actually teaches to the class. And so some of the steps were off here, but we went back over them. So he kind of skipped ahead to third step, and so we had to retrack and practice that over. And we did this a couple times, and he was able to teach the dance during the class. And although he didn't get the steps right in the beginning, at the end of the dance class, he was doing all the steps in order. So he was able to self-correct himself as he was leading the community. In this next video, we have Eleanor, our third participant. She is around 30 and she has autism spectrum disorder, high functioning autism spectrum disorder, and her mother terms it Asperger's, so we'll term it Asperger's. And she will be communicating yoga to the class. Eleanor and I go back a long ways. We've been working together since 2010. She's been coming to my adapted physical education program, and I taught her a yoga education program, so she's well versed in yoga. We've had to go through 3 different rehearsals before she actually taught the class, so we had to go through how she was going to teach yoga to the class, and we went from making a 1-sheet to a 20-page PowerPoint for her to be able to talk about each pose independently as opposed to having all the poses on one piece of paper. So for her, Eleanor added a game called the Chicken Chase, and the Chicken Chase is where we can really see the background of the participants in the actual curriculum. And so the Chicken Chase is her favorite game during one of our yoga classes, and since then she's been really motivated to partake in yoga and motivated to socialize, and she's really improved just through the time I've worked with her because of this game. So she's implementing it during her yoga class, and we'll see an example of that in a little bit.
What do you think, remember? What do you bring your things in there?
Well, you didn't teach
I don't know what we're going to teach. I don't know.
You're going to teach 5 different poses. And then we're going to
So after 4 weeks of preparation, countless hours of lesson planning, Christina, Trevor, and Eleanor all brought together a great fitness, yoga, and dance class. And they did a great job at teaching. I thought we did a good job at coordinating these lesson plans with the parents and also the assistants that helped out in bringing them to the studio here. And moving forward, we might make a couple changes. We plan on having an 8-week class, so all of May and all of June. And then we're gonna restructure and reorganize different programs for July and August, and to make sure that we can sustain it, make sure that it's reasonable, and that we're getting good participant outcomes. So far, parents have been really excited that we plan on having more participants each week. The point of taking July to reconstruct things is because we want to make sure that if we have too many people coming, that we broaden the class or make 2 classes. So we're getting a lot of phone calls right now from the community because they saw us on TV, and they're actually reaching out to ask us, about these programs. So we plan on growing this program and this live curriculum that the participants are taking on themselves. So I'm very happy that I've gone through the Social Action Curriculum Project, and I hope to continue to explore the possibilities. All right, get ready, hands up.
We're going to do this for 30 seconds. Ready, set. Hold on for 30 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
5,
5, 4, 3, 2.
You go 5 seconds
5 seconds.
and stop.
And stop.
All right, 12.
12. Pretend you're flying on your stomach. Lift your arms and your legs. Hold it for 30 seconds.
Get on your tippy toes, man.
Good job. Good job, everyone. The fourth exercise we are going to learn is called take a big inhale for the nose. Hold it. Okay. Now we're going to do the chicken run. I want everyone in. Okay. I'm the chicken chaser, and I need all of the chickens on their yoga mats. I want to make sure everyone is on their yoga mats. If I tell you, that means you have to go to your chicken coop or your yoga mat. Ready? Set, go! Hey! Hey, 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 hey!
Get Ruth. Go get Ruth. Go get Ruth.
Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
All right, Trevor, you got to go to your chicken coop. All right, you got to get Ruth.
Come back here! Come back here, son! Jake, come back! Come back here! Come back here! Get back here! Get back here! Got ya!
All right, good job. All right, clap it up for the chicken.
Do the poses. Start by standing in mountain pose. Pretend you are a strong chicken. Breathing. When I say spaghetti, you're spaghetti. Turn spaghetti. When I say meatball, I say meatball. Ready? Spaghetti. Meatball.
Bring your knees into your chest.
Great job. Spaghetti. Meatball.
Working out is incredibly important for people of all ages and athletic abilities. And there's a new program in Wilmington that's got a little something for everyone. Train Us Forward Fitness, or TUF, is an adapted physical activity class for people with and without disabilities. You may recognize the dance teacher, Trevor. He also works at Biddy and Bo's Coffee. TUF offers dance, fitness, and yoga classes taught by adults with disabilities. The goal of this program is to promote a sense of community and, of course, have fun.
We're trying to get these individuals to not only get adapted personal training for them, group training and maybe partner training, but we'll get them to actually teach classes to the community. So we're getting, more of the community involved and trying to get everyone a chance to teach, and maybe make it a career for them.
If you're interested in attending one of these classes, they happen every Sunday afternoon from 1 to 2:15 at 1319 Military Cutoff Road, Unit AA.